Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook adobong shrimp with coconut milk. Okay, so we need uh 2 tablespoons the coconut milk, vinegar, soy sauce, and then the shrimp, and then black pepper, bay leaf, garlic, onions, spring onions. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic first. Okay, and then the onions. And then the spring onions. Smells good. Black pepper. Add the shrimp. Add the bay leaf. So kung mama guys, we just add half. Okay. Add a little more. Okay. And then we're gonna simmer first. Guys, we're gonna simmer first for how many minutes? Okay. So our adobong shrimp with coconut milk is done. Look at that one. So that's the way we cook it, because you know dili na to siya overcook. So I'm gonna off the heat na para dili siya ma-overcook. Okay, so this is it, our adobong shrimp with coconut milk. Okay, so it's tasting time. I just taste the sauce. It's yummy guys. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Okay, so it's super yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.